Okay, so I had a buddy ask for some help on Mixcraft and, ask for some settings that we use and how we mix it down and everything. So I figured might as well make a video of my effects, what I use and how I do things. The way I do things is a little bit different. Everything is different depending on the song. So here we go. So with every song I do, I always go down to my mixer and I play with my highs, my mids, and my lows. Every song is different. So play around with that, get used to that. I also have on my track a master track. It's always set to the pre-master CD. These are my effects that I use. I use quite a bit. I use Acoustica compressor. I use classic compressor. I always play around with that. I use the pre-mastering for that one, but I play around with it. I use Acoustica EQ. These are my settings for Acoustica EQ. I also use classic EQ. Remember to play around with everything. Play around with the settings. Play around with your vocals, your EQ. Every artist is different. I play around with the Acoustica delay. I use that as well in my stuff. I use that. I also use Acoustica reverb. Play around with that as well. You gotta get used to the sounds that your voice makes. I use classic master limiter. I play around with this. Always play around with that too to get the sound that you want. Just play around with the program, get used to the program, and have fun with the program. This program's very user friendly. It's good to use. It's quick to use. It's easy to use. I've been using it for years. So have fun. Thank you for watching and have a good day.